Okay, we're going to look at the organization of the nervous system, and specifically, we're looking at the mammalian nervous system. So, the first thing to break it down is we've got what's known as the central nervous system, which is the brain and spine, and then peripheral is everything else. So, your arms, your legs, but in terms of the actual structures, it's our sensory and motor neurons, because they're the neurons that are going out to the peripheral parts of your body. So within the peripheral nervous system, we've got the somatic and the autonomic. And somatic means conscious. So the only conscious part, the only responses we can do consciously would be muscle contractions. So it would be specifically skeletal muscle contractions. So you can consciously make your bicep contract when you want it to. And then you've got the autonomic, which would be, so if you remember, we've got the two different types of we've got three different types of muscle tissue. We've got skeletal, so skeletal is our conscious, and then autonomic would be our cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, so the digestive tract. You can't control how they contract. So cardiac muscle, smooth muscle, and also our glands. We're unconsciously stimulating our glands, so like your sweat glands or adrenal glands, you can't stop them. So this is all unconscious, or we say autonomic. So within the autonomic unconscious nervous system, there are two ways that we respond. And one of them is said to be the sympathetic system, and the other is the parasympathetic. And to like a real basics way to summarize it would be, sympathetic is our fight or flight. So this is the one that's going to make us respond in a way that gets us out of danger. It's the one that's going to be stimulated by adrenaline. Whereas this one here, parasympathetic, this is our way to response, which is how we relax. So the things that would be getting stimulated here would be muscles to do with the digestive tract. So we're going to be increasing digestion. So sympathetic, you're going to sweat more, heart rate's going to go up, blood pressure's going to go up. You are setting yourself in a position where you can get away from something quickly, or you can fight back. Whereas parasympathetic, this is a much healthier way for you to be. This is one where heart rate will be low, you're relaxing, blood pressure is low, your body has the ability to be able to digest properly. So if you are in a constant state of heightened stimulation, your sympathetic motor system is being stimulated too much, then just basic things like digesting your food is going to be a problem. All right, so that's it. Just being aware, we're focusing on mammalian. Central nervous system, peripheral. Two types of peripheral are the conscious, somatic, the unconscious, autonomic. And then how do we unconsciously respond to our environment? Well, we've got the sympathetic and we've got the parasympathetic.